Hey, good morning. How's it going? Yeah, we're going that way. So I find myself today out in the middle of the woods, and those are my favorite sites to find. We're on a brand new hunt today. I've never been here before. The woods are nice and quiet, and this house site sits way out in the middle of this big area of woods, and it is like a solid forest. It is so beautiful out here. Um, yeah, so I'll get out here and check this site out, see if it has anything to offer. I found it on an 1886 map, so, and that place can date a lot older than that as well. It's been abandoned for a long time, so, and it's so far back in the woods. Love those spots because all the idiots and all their trash, they don't really get to those spots, so it should be just all old stuff, I'm hoping. So we're headed that way. We're gonna go right through there. I mean, about a quarter mile, half mile or so. Okay, I'll bring you back when we see something neat. Yeah, I just love going for walks in the woods. You never know what you're gonna find. There might be another old house site back here too, besides the one that I'm hunting. But yeah, we're not hunting rabbits. We're hunting treasure. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh boy, something happened here. Look at all that deer fur. See it all? Huh. Maybe I'll find some antlers today. Alright, see. Yeah, look at this pretty little creek. I see a bottle over there too. Blue. Let's go check that out. See what kind of age is on it. I don't imagine it's very old. It would have been covered with brush by now. But yeah, this is beautiful. What is it? Arizona. Don't know what that is. Some kind of drink. Okay, we'll see. Yep, we're here. This is the site. There would have been a nice old home sitting right here. Probably in between these trees. I imagine it would have sat right here. And it's nice and mowed in here too. Good. Let's see if we can see any debris or anything. And look at where all the deer have been rooting around. Interesting. Yep, let's drop the detector and search in here a little bit and see what comes up. Hoping this site is pretty decent. I've never been here. I got a couple more sites lined up too, just in case this one doesn't pan out. Alright, let's drop the detector and start looking. So, see you on the first hole. Yep, got a nice little handle. Looks like a water spigot handle. Nice old style. Nice relic. Alright, let's move on. Now we got us a nice big old hinge, but I don't think it's very old. They could have built the structures. It's got all those round nails in it, so I'm not thinking it's very old at all. But it's a nice big old hinge, isn't it? It's broken though. That's probably why it's on the ground. Bummer. Alright, see ya. Looks like a nice old iron buckle. Harness buckle. Yep, that's what it is. Old one. Look how much rust is on that. It's pretty much destroyed. No telling how old that is, but man, it didn't fare well, did it? Okay, we'll see. Yep, I got another big bracket. This one's in better shape, but it's all bent up pretty good. Still got all those big round nails in it. Can't imagine those are very old, but you know they did have round nails early 1900s and late 1800s. So it just doesn't have the rust on it to be super old, does it? I'm not sure how to date that. Okay, yeah, moving. Got a strange little find here. I think that's a vaccination bottle. Yeah. I'm not familiar with these markings. K, T, I, 16, USA. It's got aluminum top on it and a little rubber stopper for like a syringe. It's interesting, but it's broken. Yeah. Did they vaccinate their cattle? Interesting. Okay. Yeah. Could that be a cow tag, perhaps? I've never found one like this. It's copper with a number 24 on it. Isn't that nice? It's like it was made for a strap or something. Usually you find the ones that attach to the ear. I guess that could have riveted to the ear. It's interesting. Number 24. Solid brass or copper. Nice. Alright, let's keep rolling. I worked my way to the other side of the house site. Yeah, look at this little beauty. And it's in good shape still. It's a little knife. Yeah, that's a nice little pocket knife. I don't see any maker's mark on it. Wow, that's still in really good shape. Nice. Pretty. Pretty neat, huh? Alright, that's a keeper. Let's see if we can get that all cleaned up. Alright, moving on. Well, here is a solid 71. Is it a can? Have found some cans out here. Some modern trash. Not a whole lot. Yeah, what is it? It's a piece of something. Some kind of old can part, isn't it? Something or other. Yeah, junk, 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 junk. Okay, pulling up lots of iron, but it's iron chunks. Not recognizable. Not like those brackets. Little older stuff over here too. Okay, let's see. What do you suppose that was? I thought maybe a tractor seat at first, but it's too small. Any ideas? It's neat looking. It's too bad it's broken. There's no telling. I don't know. Some kind of farming implement for something. Neat. Whatever. Alright, see. Yeah, looks like a very old spoon. Piece of one at least. Iron. Iron spoons are old. Okay, see. I think we have a coin right here where the deer were wallowing in the mud. Just got a hit right here. It's really orange. Look at that. It's probably just a little wheat penny. Let's clean it up. Let's see. Man, that is copper. I've never pulled a coin out of the ground that shiny. Huh. Let me see if I can clean that up a little bit and I'll get right back to you. Yep. 1973. Copper coin. Not even a wheat penny. Interesting. So, somebody was here probably during the 70s or 80s. Yeah, very interesting. Okay, moving on. Well, that's our first shoe remnant, at least. Usually find tons of these broken shoes. And that's our first one. Just not a lot to be had in here, that's for sure. We'll have to search around a little bit better, I think. Just not a lot going on. Okay, see ya. Well, I'm right at where the front of the house would have been. I got a 69 signal. Look at the pretty stone that's coming out of here. Yeah, well, anyway, it's in here. It's probably a bottle cap. But it's in that Indian head range, right? Let's hope for an Indian head. That'd be nice. I haven't found one in a while. Well, whatever it is, it's small, so that's good. Well, I'm going to have to sweep that again real quick. Okay, hang on a second. Let me put my headphones on. Right in there. Is that it? That's it. What is it? Oh, just a little piece to something. It's copper. Look at that green patina on that. Yeah, that says age right there. It's too bad it's not recognizable as anything. Relics must be recognizable at least to be valuable in any way. Okay. Scrap, scrap, scrap. But hey, it's green patina. Alright, moving on. Yeah, just kind of wandering around a little bit. You know, for some reason that site's not panning out very well. I know it's an old site, but my goodness, there really isn't anything there. I found a few things, but not the kind of stuff that I'm looking for. So, just walking around this property to see if I can find any other hot spots. But I do have another site lined up I think we're going to go to. So, bummer. Well, you know, you got to get out. And that's how you determine if, you know, you're going to keep hunting a site or not. Got to get out and check it out. And of course, this site isn't so grand. I'm going to walk down this road a little bit here and see if they had built any other barn structures or anything like that back here. And I hope they did. So, but anywho, yeah, let me look around a little bit, explore this before I take off. And if I find something, I'll bring you back. If not, I'll bring you back at a new site. Another site I haven't been to. So today is just one of those days that I'm out hunting new sites. I need new sites. Alright, so see ya. Yep. This was the only site. This is it. This is the place where the house sat. And, man, garbage. There's nothing there. There's a lot of iron, but it's just so crappy iron, it's not worth doing anything with. Anyway, alright. So, long walk back. And I'm going to head over to one of my other new sites. Check that out today. So, I hope that one's a little bit better. It looks pretty decent on a map. Same kind of situation. 1886 map. Probably, I don't know if it was Civil War era, maybe a little bit later kind of time scale. But that's what I like. Get the nice relics from that time period. So we'll see you when I get there. Down this long, lonely trail. And through the woods we go. See you. Yeah, I couldn't have asked for a more beautiful day. But I could have asked for a better site. That's just a bummer. Yeah, when you expect treasure and you don't find treasure, ugh. Hey, a nice walk in the woods today. No deer antler yet. I'm not sure what the deal is. I usually find deer antler all the time. No deer antler. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous. Yeah. This is what it's all about right here. Getting out. Doing what you love. Now we just gotta find some treasure. Some iron relics. I'll even take a coin. Okay. Almost there. See ya. Well, yeah, we made it to another site. This isn't the site I had in mind. I got lost. I'm gonna have to recheck my map. I could not find the road. It said it was right off this one road, but then there was nothing off that one road, so maybe my mapping is wrong, which is, it's happened before in the past. But anyway, here's a site that's really trashy, and I've been wanting to come in here and look this over, but wow. I'll have you look. Look at this. All those nasty trash mongers came in here, didn't they? Yeah, we might find a relic or two, or something neat to bring home with us. But man, this place is just filled. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to detect in here. I mean, look at that. Do we need hubcaps for anything? It's not old enough for me, those hubcaps. Yeah, it's people in there nasty dumping. I mean, that's just disgusting, isn't it? And look at this. How in the world are we going to be able to detect in here? It's a nice little IBC root beer. $1959 maybe? I don't think it's that old. I'm seeing Gatorade and stuff. This stuff isn't old. Plastic. That's not 50s. Sometimes they have dates on them that you can read. Sometimes they don't. Yeah. Apparently there was a house site in here. But somebody decided to use it as a trash pit. Need a rim? A big wash bucket? I mean, that would be nice to bring home just to throw in the yard, throw some daffodils in it, you know what I mean? Are we going to be able to pull any treasure out of here? Wow. Wow, yeah, jeez. There is no way I'm going to be able to detect in here. None. It is a mess. It's all plastic. I think that's a TV. There's a lot of sites like this, just completely destroyed by human beings. Well, whatever was here, as far as relics, they're going to stay here for a very, very long time, until somebody's able to come in here and clean this stuff up. I'm not cleaning it up. Nope, not this guy. Well, I'll walk around towards the back of the property and see if it's any cleaner over there. So you got all that pachysandra in here. Now this was an old site. There's some nice brick. Shovel. But you gotta explore. You gotta check it out. What do we got here? Is that a sewing machine? That is an old-time sewing machine. Look at that. Broken. Huh. I don't see any name on it. That would have been a nice relic had it been intact. What the heck is that thing? Oh, plastic bottle. Well, let's keep searching, I guess. Keep looking around. Might find a spot that's got some treasure in it. I don't know. This has got to be the worst sight I've ever seen. By far. It is just nasty. Look at this. Somebody dumped their oil. That's full of oil. Big jars. Need a grill? There's a grill. Big buckets. That looks like chicken pens or something. Maybe we can find a Model T Ford back here. Well, I threw everything else back here. Why not? Aha! Looky there. That looks like a barn. Let's go check it out. This doesn't look too bad back here. But that barn doesn't look that old. I bet you there's nice iron relics in here. See that? That's a hunter's tent. Yeah. Somebody's got a hunting station. They just sit right here and look. That's a nice little hunting spot. But that's about it. That's all it's good for. Oh, this thing isn't that old, is it? Okay, well, I'll get back to you when I learn more. See ya. Disgusting. Yeah, that's it. We're out of here. Done. 2 spots today. No good. Oh well. Alright. So see you on the next. Thanks for watching.